Okay, states of matter. Huh? States of matter. This is important chapter for your JEE. देखो, what is states of matter? এখানে introduction to the states of matter. Matter ki, what is matter? Anything that has definite mass and occupies some space is called matter. Yes, anything that has definite mass and occupies some space is called matter. It may be jet, glass, water, balloon, etc., etc. Okay. Common forms of matter, that's means solid, liquid and gaseous. Ito
স্যার অরিত্রিক কে ইন করো, ওয়েট করছে।
ওকে হয়েছে।
আসলে একটু ঝেড়ে দিও।
Common forms of matter means solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay, so what is matter? Again, for Oritrik, the matter is anything that has a definite mass and occupies some space is called matter. Okay, and common forms of matters are solid, liquid and gaseous. Okay, so property of solid, you know about definite, it has definite shape. Water does not have any definite shape, and also gaseous system does not have any definite shape. Okay, so shape solid have definite shape, liquid not, gaseous not. Specific volume, solid has specific volume, yes, it contains specific volume. Liquid also contains specific volume, but gaseous system does no specific volume. Okay, here intermolecular force of attraction for solid system, there is a high intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, clear? Strong. So state, strong intermolecular force of attraction is there. For liquid state, weak.
Sir, এটা কি ক্লাস 9 এর চ্যাপ্টার স্যার?
And for gaseous system, very weak intermolecular force of attraction. Okay, now
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
solid is, if it is crystal, then it is regular packed, that's mean close packed, very close packed. Okay, like this, closely packed solid, and liquid is haphazardly packed, and gaseous is more haphazard packed. Okay, clear? So this is loosely bound or loosely packed, and for gaseous system very loosely bound. Okay, clear? And what is this? This is close packed. Okay, this is closed, this is loose, and it is very loose. So solid state, liquid state and gaseous state, there are some examples. You know, ice is a solid, water is a liquid, and vapor is a, or steam is a gas.
Yes.
Okay, so in this way their molecules will remain in the zigzag way or in Brownian movement for gaseous or steam system. Okay, so solid, this is your cricket ball, darun byapar, but there is a vacant position, yes, and this empty space is very very low. Okay, so empty space is yes, but in for liquid system, this empty space, this is the empty space. Okay, it's high, and for gaseous system it will be very high. Clear?
Yes sir.
Attraction in solid is very very strong, and for liquid it is weak, and for gaseous it is very very weak. Okay, clear? So what is this? This is the conversion. And density, you know, solid is highly dense. Okay, solid is highly dense, and then liquid, then gaseous. Okay, and least dense is gaseous system. Okay, so do you know how many other forms of matter exist? How many other forms of matter exist? There are another two types. That's mean, you know about the plasma state. Do you know? Plasma state. Huh? Then Bose-Einstein condensate state. Bose-Einstein condensate state. Huh?
হ্যাঁ স্যার শুনেছি।
Fermi ionic condensate. এগুলো আমাদের অন্য মানে স্টেট অফ ম্যাটার্স, বাট ইউ নো অনলি সলিড, লিকুইড and gaseous system, but there are some other state of matters, what condensate and colloidal state. Okay, this is the colloidal state. So there is a some other state of matter. Clear? So plasma state, it is well known, but other state is not well known because you don't know properly. But for graduate or for IIT student, it should know. Okay. So solid has dash fixed shape, fixed volume, and both. Which one is this? Both. Yes.
বোথ।
Okay. The intermolecular force of attraction among the gas molecule is high, strong. Yes. Strong.
ভেরি
Gas
উইক।
molecule. For gas molecule is very weak. Yes. And for solid is very strong.
স্ট্রং।
And condition for the state of matter. The state of matter depends upon the following two conditions. First one is temperature and another is pressure. If temperature
প্রেসার।
is low and pressure is high, then most of the times the matter will be in solid state. Okay. Clear? So for solid, if you heat on the solid, then it will be liquid. Okay. And from the liquid, if we heated it, then it will be gaseous system. Clear? This is the example you know already. Pressure. If high pressure is there, then molecules will be in close packed. Then from the gaseous system, it will be first liquid, then it will be solid. If temperature is
সলিড।
so downward piston movement increase the pressure, okay, and the space between molecules will be less. So attractive force increases for that. Transformation of liquid to gaseous. Transformation of liquid to gaseous in the presence of temperature. Okay. If temperature is high, pressure is low. Okay. Then what happen? If temperature is high but pressure is low, but it will be in remains gaseous. And if low pressure but high temperature, it remains in gaseous system. Okay. If pressure is high, temperature is low, then it will be in solid state. So this is expansion of gas. Okay. What is the experiment? See that it is the expansion of gas. Expansion means the volume increase. Clear? So gaseous system. Temperature high, pressure low, the expansion of gas. Clear? Now, if it is low temperature, then what happens? And high pressure, then it will be compressed in gas. That's mean it will be from gaseous system to liquid system, and from liquid system to it is solid.
সলিড।
Okay. So this is the compression of gas. Clear? What is this? This is compression of gas. So intermolecular force of attraction will be increased. And so gaseous system converted to liquid at high pressure and low temperature. So states of matter depends on temperature, yes. Pressure, yes. So both, yes. Clear? So both.
বোথ।
Transformation of liquid to gas occurs at liquid to gas. That's mean low pressure and high temperature. Yes.
লো প্রেসার, হাই টেম্পারেচার।
Low pressure, high temperature. এই তো, so option which one is correct? B, এই তো, high temperature low pressure. Okay, there are